Close your eyes if that feels safe. Take a deep, slow breath. Inhale and gently exhale, as if you're melting into the space around you. So one more time, inhale, and with each breath, imagine your body becoming lighter. Your mind is becoming quieter, and your thoughts, they are beginning to dissolve into the rhythm of your heartbeat. So one more time, let's breathe in together. Breathe in and exhale. And now, imagine a spiral of golden light swirling gently above your head. It's like a warm, safe, magnetic golden light. It's the energy of abundance calling you home. And as you breathe, feel yourself being drawn inward, not upward, not downward, but inward, into the sense and the center of your being, where stillness, safety, and infinite prosperity resides. So with every breath, you're slipping deeper into peace. Your conscious mind is relaxing completely, while your subconscious mind is awakening. Your energy field is opening up. And now, imagine you're standing in the vast field of a golden sand. In front of you are hundreds of shimmering mirrors. And each mirror is holding a memory, a belief, a story which you have told yourself about money. So it can be your voice of your parents saying, money does not grow on tree. Or the memory of watching struggle, sacrifice, scarcity. Maybe it's guilt of having more than others, or some fear that there will never be enough for you. It's your voice, which you're carrying in your memory, in your subconscious mind. Allow that to surface with a lot of grace. Take a slow breath in, so inhale. And as you're exhaling, whisper softly, I see you, I release you. I choose to set you free today. I see you. I release you. I choose to set you free today. I see you. I release you. I choose to set you free today. And as you speak these words, watch Each mirror dissolves into light. The energy returns to pure love. The old programs, struggle, fear, guilt, lack, it's lifting out of your body, your mind, your DNA. One by one, it's melting and dissolving into pure love. Feel it. Feel them leave through your breath, through your skin, through your aura completely. As these frequencies clear, your body feels much lighter. Your field expands. Your soul remembers its original code, which is abundance. And now, above you, visualize a massive crystal diamond. It is spinning slowly. It is emitting golden white light. And each beam represents a new frequency of wealth. As this diamond lowers into your energy field, each ray enters your body one by one, upgrading your system completely. Ray 1, worthiness. I deserve wealth because I exist. Let these statements become your code now, a new code of abundance. Ray 2, flow. Money is energy. I am always in flow. Feel the energy of each word. Ray 3, purpose. I attract abundance doing what I love doing. Ray 4, freedom. Money expands my choice and impact. Ray 5, receiving. I am open and I am totally ready to receive with ease. Ray 6, trust. The universe supports me abundantly. Ray 7, gratitude. Every rupee multiplies in joy. Ray 8, confidence. I am a magnet for wealth and opportunity. Ray 9, generosity. The more I give, the more I grow. Ray 10, expansion. My income rises as my energy rises. Ray 11, leadership. I lead my finances with clarity and wisdom. Ray 12, legacy. My wealth uplifts generations to come. Feel the power of these words. Let it become your new DNA. You're aligning yourself to the universal code of abundance today. So breathe deeply as all these rays merge inside your chest, forming a radiant golden sun in your heart. This is your money frequency activation. Now, imagine this golden sun expand through your entire body, throughout your aura, through the room that you are in. Everything that you touch vibrates with abundance. Your energy field radiates wealth now. Your frequency is that of unlimited money. So now, repeat softly in your mind, slowly, rhythmically, like a mantra. I am wealth. I am flow. I am the energy that creates money and abundance. I am wealth. I am flow. I am the energy that creates money and abundance. I am wealth. I am flow. I am the energy that creates money and abundance. Let it sink deep, deep into your subconscious, into your breath, into every cell of your being. You are no more chasing abundance. You are abundance. Now, from the center of your heart, send a beam of light outward, connecting to every soul who is also awakening to wealth consciousness today. See yourself surrounded by thousands of glowing lights, a collective field of prosperity and expansion, where giving and receiving are one and the same. And now, one more time, let's whisper, I am safe to rise. I am supported. I am infinite. Feel your feet grounding gently into Mother Earth, anchoring this new wealth frequency deep into your reality. The air around you hums with magnetism. Your energy is completely clear. Your channel is open. Money now flows to you easily, endlessly, and joyfully. So now take a deep breath. Inhale deeply through your heart and exhale fully, completely. Just let go. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Gently, you can rub your palms together, place them over your heart, and feel the rhythm of abundance pulsing within you. Whenever you're ready, you can gently open your eyes. You now carry this frequency with you in your words, in your actions, in your bank account, in your life. So one last time, whisper to yourself as you return, I am the source of wealth. I am the field of abundance. I am the energy of money itself. I love money, and money loves me back. So once again, hold a lot of gratitude in your heart. Thank yourself for doing this meditation. And now one more time, open your hands out and say, I am ready to receive. I am ready to receive my universe. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Meeti Miraki, my dear, keep shining.